And then my bonus tip, and probably the most important tip, hey y'all, it's Megan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome, and please hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more YouTube related content, and also give this video a big thumbs up because it really supports my channel, and comment down below any video ideas you might want to see from me. So today we're going to be talking about 5 tips for new YouTubers or small YouTubers. It works for everybody, so if you want to see those tips, please stay tuned. Okay, so my first tip is to optimize your video with keywords, and you want to do research to find your keywords. That way you can pick out the best keywords that fit with your video, and you want to use these keywords with your tags, title, and description of your video. That way YouTube knows what you're talking about and can suggest your videos for people who search that specific topic. By using keywords, your video will appear in search, which leads me to my second tip, and that is to make good titles and thumbnails. You want to make these relevant to your information in your videos, and you want them to stand out so people click on your videos when they see your video in search. I like to do this by looking up videos that I'm gonna make a topic on and seeing what thumbnails stand out to me the most, and then creating something that I think stands out even more. You also don't want to pick a title that's already too saturated because your video probably won't pop up in search if everybody has the same title. So you want to make it specific as possible while including the keywords that you find. So that way people know what they're going to be watching, and your video is more likely to stand out because it is more specific. For example, you may do a video about how to start a YouTube channel. So instead of putting how to start a YouTube channel and that is it for your title, you can put how to start a YouTube channel in 2020 or how to start a vlog channel in 2020. That way people can search your content and get what they're looking for. My third tip is to learn how to communicate with the camera. You want to speak directly to your audience and talk to them as if they were your friends and you were having a conversation with them. You want to communicate like you know what you're talking about, and you can do this by searching your favorite YouTuber in your niche, watching their videos, and see how they communicate across the camera to keep people interested in their videos. And then you can incorporate this into your videos, but in your own way. You do not want to seem like a copycat. So, for example of this, if you are doing a vlog channel, maybe you want to go watch Alicia Marie vlogs, and you want to see how she communicates herself across the camera to keep people interested, and then incorporate this into your videos. But like I said, don't be a copycat because nobody likes copycats. Another good tip on how to communicate to the camera is to act like you're a big time YouTuber. And this does not mean you have to be a big time YouTuber, but you want to act like it. You know the saying, fake it until you make it? Well, that's what you're going to do. You're going to act like you're a big time YouTuber, so you come across to the camera and the audience as confident, and people think you know what you're talking about even if you have no clue what you're talking about. I'm not telling you to give people fake information, but if you seem like you know what you're talking about, people are going to believe stuff you say. And then my last tip for communicating to the camera and to the audience is to take YouTube seriously. I mean, you can make videos for fun, but if you plan on making YouTube into a job or a career, then you want to take YouTube seriously, and this means getting a schedule and sticking to the schedule. You basically want to treat YouTube as a job, but don't get me wrong, you still want to have fun with it, which you should, but you want to treat it as if it is a business and you are working to grow your business. My fourth tip is to learn how to keep people watching your videos for longer, and this means increasing your audience retention rate. And if you don't know what this is or how to increase your audience retention rate, I actually have a video of this on my channel, so if you want to go check that out, I will have it linked up here as well as in the description bar below. So after you watch this video, go ahead and check that video out if you want to learn how to increase your watch time. This tip is really important because the YouTube algorithm actually favors longer watch times because you are keeping the viewers on YouTube for longer. So I highly recommend that you go check out my video and do some research on how to increase your watch time or audience retention rate. And then tip number 5 is to actively apply what you learn. So what you want to do is, even before you start YouTube or during your process of making YouTube videos, you want to do a lot of research of how YouTube is growing and people are growing on YouTube. And you want to incorporate this into your videos and into your channel because you want to grow your business. So don't just research how to make better videos and then don't incorporate it into your videos. You want to actively apply these tips. That way you can grow on YouTube and you're not just wasting your time doing research for no good reason. And then my bonus tip, and probably the most important tip. So my bonus tip to you guys is to not care what other people think and to just do you. A little quote I like to live by is, your life isn't yours if you're constantly worrying about what other people think, because you're not doing what you really want to do. So my advice to you is to go ahead and start that YouTube channel today, because other people are too busy worrying about themselves to care what you are doing, and this is your life and your business. So you have to start your channel to begin growing. So just do it. Don't care what other people think, and you're gonna do great. And you're gonna grow, and it may take time, but it'll be so worth it in the end, and you will be glad you started your channel. Okay, y'all, so that's all I have for today. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more YouTube related videos, and follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. I will see you guys next time. Bye.